Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Shabby Lane T-Shirt of the Month Club for March 2026. Do you want to know what's in my bag? Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So again, the Shabby Lane T-Shirt of the Month Club for March just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your amazing t-shirt subscription to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what this month brings. I love that every single month they are completely different. They're different colors, and I just love to see what each month brings. So let's go ahead and dive in. With this one, you always get a t-shirt, and you get to select a small all the way up to a 4XL. They did generate my own code for you guys to use, and oh my goodness, look at that color. My code is SheCrafty20 to save you 20% off your very first month if you are interested in signing up. But they also have a large selection of shirts and accessories and just different things on their website that you can purchase individually without having a subscription if you just wanted to purchase a few shirts for yourself, for gifts, that kind of thing. So I will have them all listed down below for you to check out. But I am so excited. Look at this color. They're always on the Bella and Canvas soft blended unisex tees, which that's pretty much what I live in all the time. So I'm so excited. And you always get like 2 cards. They're completely different. And I love to show you guys them. You can use them as like note cards, thank you cards, a hello card. You can put them in a frame, decorate for the season because every month they change. So I really love these cards. I love showing you and I love hanging on to them. So the first one here says, do what makes your soul happy and live, laugh, love. Super, super beautiful, very springy. I love those colors. And that is what it says on the shirt. Live, laugh, love. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there is another card because there's always one with the free gift. So with the shirt, you always have a free little gift in here, which is super unique to have a little surprise in there as well. So with the free gift, we have there is power in kindness. That is so cute, especially for spring, Easter coming up. That's a really cute image on there. And then the item for this month is a headband. And here it is. It's actually super pretty. I like just the plain like beige color. There's no design or anything. And let's see, let me take off this here. And so it has like the fabric that goes over, then it has like the little teeth there to hang on. Let's see how this will look on my head. But that is actually cute. Look at how cute, you guys. So there is the headband, super cute. I love that it's a different type of accessory this time. We've gotten so many different things from bracelets to necklaces to so many different accessories. So that's really neat to see a headband, and I love that one. So here is the shirt, you guys. Again, look at this color. So if you like to see it on, here you go. Oh my goodness. Again, I cannot get enough of this color. It is beautiful. I love the lighter teal to the darker turquoise. So anything in those color ranges, I'm all for. So look at how beautiful, you guys. So this is the March t-shirt with the accessory. All right, you guys, so again, that is what is for the March t-shirt of the Month Club. What do you think of the color? What do you think of the saying? Speaking of saying, if you would like to follow them on Instagram and you would like your feeds to be filled with some positivity, definitely follow Shabby Lane on the social media because they post the most like inspirational little quotes and little sayings throughout the day. So instead of all this negativity that's been going around, I love seeing my feeds filled with positivity. So I definitely love seeing their posts. If you want to follow them, definitely follow them. If you would like a little bit more information about this box, again, I did tell you SheCrafty20 will save you 20% off your first month. They have the t-shirt of the month club, and then they have one other style as well. So for the t-shirt of the month club, if you want to just do month per month, it's normally $24.95 and currently on sale for $19.95. If you want to do a 3-month subscription, it would be $73. A 6-month subscription would be $147, and then a full 12-month subscription is $294. Now they also have a boutique bag VIP membership. That one does not come with a t-shirt, it's only accessories. So if you don't want a t-shirt, but you want their amazing accessories that they have, you can do that one for $29.99, or the deluxe boutique bag VIP membership is $39.99. So there's 2 different variations for the accessories only, and then you have the t-shirt with the free gift. So definitely, if you would like to check them out or their shop, they will all be listed down below in the description box for you. If you would like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.